में मुझे टैक्सी के नाल अभी भी कुछ मामले सुलझा रहे हैं। पर ये देख के बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि तुम्हें पिकअप मिले। और जमाल तू सूटकेस का ख्याल रखना यार, कोई टुट नहीं चाहिए।
भाई तुम इतनी अनमनी सी क्यों हो रही हो? तुम्हारा गुलाटी के साथ कोई झगड़ा हुआ क्या?
आई डोंट नो अंकल, वो ऐसा भी तो नहीं है जिसके साथ झगड़ा किया जा सके।
चोपड़ा, मुझे लगता है लवीना इस मामले में ज्यादा एंथुसियास्टिक नहीं है। कह रही है वो तो ऐसा आदमी नहीं जिसके साथ झगड़ा किया जा सके। मेरे पास तलाक का एक मुकदमा आया था जिसमें बीवी ने ये शिकायत की थी कि जब मैं अपने हस्बैंड पर बेलन फेंकती हूँ तो वो मुझे पीटता क्यों नहीं है। मेरे ख्याल से उसने अपने आप को निग्लेक्टेड फील किया होगा।
ये बात एक काम और सही हो गया। जिस काम में हाथ डालता है उसी को गिराता। Not happy if you ask me, I would tell you that it's wrong. It's not a man.
मैं तुझसे ये कहा था कि I was not sure that is good company on his own.
अब जैसे जमाल को ले लो, कोई भी नई चीज तो फौरन खड़ा हो जाएगा।
It's possible, Daddy. मैं तुझसे ये कहा तुझे पता नहीं। ए, तुझे ले जाओ।
ओए रुक जा ओए। एक हाथ बोतल खोल के निकाल ले। एक बोतल लेके तय करेंगे कि गुलाटी हमें सूट करता है कि नहीं। I think you are engaged now.
No, I'm not engaged. We didn't talk about that.
Contemporary theatre. Theatre which has social relevance. Folk theatre, classical theatre. Is there any indication of the theatre of the future? The National School of Drama, which had its origin in the Asian Theatre Institute, began functioning in Delhi in 1958. It was located in Rabindra Bhavan in 1963. Later, in 1975, its headquarters were shifted to Bahawalpur House, where it operates today. Its directors have included Satu Sen, Ibrahim Al-Kazi, and B.V. Karan. Young people involved in the amateur or semi-professional theatre and dedicated to the drama come from different parts of the country to enroll here as students. This is a class in the history of theatre architecture. The students learn of different types of theatre presentation, not only in India, but in Greece and other parts of Europe, in Asian countries, which have had a strong theatre tradition at different times during the last 2,000 years and more. The amphitheatre, or arena theatre, the Elizabethan stage, the theatre of Kathakali and of the Sanskrit classics, the introduction of footlights in the Jacobean theatre, the special features of the No and Kabuki theatre of Japan, and so on. Theatre styles which influence modes of presentation to this day.
Look here, we have now solved the problem of lighting of this Sultan's Court, temple and mosque. Now we will light this hut. Please try one by one, number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I want this hut to be lighted from different angles, from backlight, from the side light, so that the texturized surface comes up. And that is what I want.
एक मामूली सा खत लिखकर तुम ये कहना चाहती हो कि सब रिश्ते टूट गए? क्या तुमने एक बार भी यह जरूरत महसूस नहीं की कि तुम मुझसे आकर मिल लो? इस लायक भी नहीं समझा कि मैं तुम्हारी परेशानियां बांट सकूं? सब बातें और कस्में भूल गई। लालच ऐसे प्यार पर जिस पर दिल की नहीं बहानों की जरूरत पड़ती हो। ये लो तुम्हारा खत।
B.M. Saha, director of the National School, taking a class in direction.
और अभिनेता के एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर जाने से कैसे बदलते हैं, ये इसका आज का मुख्य विषय है। तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है आपको?
सर, बिना रिएक्शन के संबंध कैसे चेंज होंगे?
देखो, अभी हमने दो चीजों का अभ्यास किया है, समूहन और अभिनेता का एक स्थान पर दूसरे स्थान पर जाना। देखो, सही कहा है, बिना हेतु के, बिना कारण के कभी भी अभिनय नहीं हो सकता। अभी हम अभिनय पर बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, मात्र निर्देशन पर बात कर रहे हैं। जो निर्देशक जिन बातों का अपने निर्देशन में इस्तेमाल करता है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं। लेकिन हमेशा याद रखो, अकारण या बिना हेतु के, या जो अभी आपने कहा बिना मोटिवेशन के मंच के ऊपर कोई भी अभिनेता को कभी नहीं करना चाहिए। इसी तरह से निर्देशक को भी कोई भी बात स्टेज के ऊपर ऐसी नहीं करनी चाहिए जिसका कोई कारण न हो।
सर, हेतु तो तभी क्लियर होगा ना जबकि कोई एक्शन हो, कोई मूवमेंट हो, कोई रिएक्शन हो।
वो तो अभी जो कल वाली सिचुएशन है, वो संबंध बदलने वाली, लड़की को टीज करने वाली, उससे हम आगे चलेंगे। आज मूवमेंट ऐड करेंगे। चलिए आप आइएगा। हैं? आइए। अच्छा, आपने किसका पेंसिल लेनी है? आइए इधर को। जस्ट सेकेंड, अभी संबंध में कुछ टूटन आई है, जरा सा आप अलग अलग जब दूरी रखिए हैं, दूरी। उसके बाद जब बात बनती है, देन यू क्लोजर, देन यू गेट राइट।
अब मुझे अगर गुलाटी आधे घंटे तक ट्रंक कॉल मिलाता दिखाई दिया तो मैं उससे रिश्ता ही तोड़ दूंगा। दहेज में एक बाग या खेत देने में मुझे कोई एतराज नहीं।
लेकिन for the following line.
From time to time, the National School of Drama invites well-known directors from different countries to produce plays so that students may learn different techniques to enable them to translate theory into practice and to relate theatre to life. All theatre people have to be handymen and carpenters to be able to realize the final production. Designing of sets is obviously a vital part of the theatre. Because the visualization of a play has to be total and organic, every aspect of costume, decor and design has to be studied. Singing is important, not only because music is an integral part of traditional Indian theatre, but because it helps in developing and controlling the voice. Since actors, directors, designers and others may also work in the cinema, as sometimes happens, there is a course in film appreciation.
Now, the problem of visual composition in a shot is essentially one of getting onto the screen a kind of relationship of objects and actors and characters, so that through the shot you are making a certain kind of a statement. So the problem of composition, where to place the camera, essentially depends on what you really want to say with the shot, because film is a pictorial language.
In reacting to a situation, facial expression or dialogue may not be necessary. An actor must learn to use his body. This brings us to the two basic physical attributes which all actors must develop: the use of the voice and the use of the whole body. Without careful discipline and a healthy body in total control, actors are unlikely to fulfill their desire for precise expression in any situation. Yoga and different forms of dance help to develop control, poise, grace, and power in movement.
मार्शल आर्ट में सबसे अच्छी
चीज यही है कि आपके सारे बॉडी को ये ख्याल रखता है. There's a question why we teach martial art in National School of Drama. And in fact, we teach this as a body movement and the stairs technique also. The particular style which I am doing is known as Thang Ta, which is a Manipuri style.
The world of the theatre thrives on tension, physical, emotional and mental. A release from this intensity is essential, and it is time to relax.
क्या बात है. बहुत मुमकिन है ये खजाने खराबों में मिले.
A girl with a beard, obviously a peculiar situation in a peculiar play. But seriously, the important thing is that actors should not be dependent on a makeup man. They must be able to do their own makeup and to help each other. Theatre groups travel. If necessary materials are not available in a small town or village, actors must learn to improvise. Moreover, they may find different types of lighting, so adaptability is essential. In the common room, one finds a jumble of every language in India. Students also learn of the condition of theatre in different parts of the country. Sometimes romantic comedy takes place off stage too.
तुमने तो वादा किया था कि तुम मेरे साथ बाहर चलोगी. ये आज अचानक तुम्हें क्या सूझा?
माफ करो, मैं नहीं आ सकती तुम्हारे साथ. चले जाओ यहाँ
अब
से.
क्या यही तुम्हारा प्यार है?
हाथ जोड़ती हूँ तुमसे, प्लीज चले जाओ यहाँ से.
मेरे साथ एक बार
मैं
बाहर
नहीं
नहीं
आ
जा
सकती.
The school has a remarkable library, certainly the best in the country, relating to theatre and its allied arts. Improvisation is very much a part of modern theatre technique. Of course, mime has come down to us from earliest times, but it is still very relevant today. Administration of the National School of Drama is the least dramatic of all its activities. Coping with a large number of lively students is no easy task. Apart from the state governments and union territories, the school itself offers scholarships to talented young people. Then there is the problem of finding money for the various productions which are undertaken. The school has to its credit many notable productions, both indoor and open air, foreign and Indian, classical and modern. The plays have been performed not only in Delhi, but in different parts of the country and abroad. The school has a permanent repertory company which provides invaluable experience to theatre graduates before they return to their various states. The emphasis is on exploring the frontiers of drama and experimenting with different forms. India is fortunate in having many forms of dance and drama, tribal, folk, classical, and now modern. These young people will take their skills to their own part of the country to keep the theatre alive. Although India has many languages, the bond between them is drama, for basically the language of the theatre is one.